this week's episode of Digital Marketing Weekly Trending News, I'll be covering the following trending topics for the second week of 2023. Starting off with topic number 1, which is titled In This Day in Search Marketing History, I'll share the 4 historic events that took place during the second week of January in 2012, 2013, 2020, and 2022. On topic 2, I'll discuss Google's introduction of site names to its search engine. And then on number 3, I'll touch on Automattic's introduction of a new ad network called Blaze. If you don't know Automattic, it's actually the company behind WooCommerce, WordPress, and Tumblr. Moving over to topic number 4 will be the long-awaited rollout of Google's December 2022 link spam update. And then on number 5, Google is testing the sponsored label in its product listing search results. And number 6, Microsoft Store ads and other product updates will also be discussed in this week's episode. And then Brightcove and Magnite strategic partnership to boost ad monetization for CVT and online video publishers will also be discussed. And then on topic 8, I'll look at Meta's efforts to create age-appropriate ad experience for teens. And then lastly, topic number 9, I look at 10 rising stars of the marketing world in 2023, according to LinkedIn. Hi guys, welcome to Digital Marketing Weekly Trending News. My name is Lerato Mnaring. I hope you enjoyed this episode. In this episode, I capture trending news from all different aspects of digital marketing. So I've done the research and saved you the time by curating all this trending weekly news for you. So stay tuned. Starting off with topic number 1, This Day in Search Marketing History, which is a feature by Search Engine Land. I look at trending topics that took place during the second week of the year in previous years. In 2012, DuckDuckGo launched a new visual design across its homepage and all search results pages. In 2013, on the 15th of January, Facebook launched Graph Search, which relied heavily on likes and other connections to determine what to show as the most relevant search results for each user. In January 13th, 2020, DuckDuckGo passed 100 billion searches. As a digital marketing professional, have you used DuckDuckGo? If you have and are watching this episode on YouTube, please leave a comment in the comment section and share your experience. Last but not least, in 2022, Microsoft responsive ads became available globally in all Microsoft marketing interfaces. Moving over to the second trending topic, Google's introduction of site names to its search. On the 14th of January 2023, Google announced that its search is introducing site names on mobile search results to make it easier to identify the website that's associated with each result. In the article, Google also mentions how you, as a site owner, can indicate your preferred site name with structured data. If you've used structured data before, adding a site name to your website's homepage will be fairly simple and straightforward. If not, look out for an episode where I delve deeper, or rather take you through how to add a site name to your website. In the guide, I will share Google's site name documentation and favicon documentation and guidelines to help you get the best out of this site name feature. The company that's behind WordPress, WooCommerce, and Tumblr introduced a new ad network on the 12th of January. Blaze by Automattic will show ads on millions of WordPress.com and Tumblr sites for as low as $5 per day. The advertising networks was originally introduced in April 2022 as a network exclusive for Tumblr users to place ads on other Tumblr pages. Automattic further added that the network is now expanded to bloggers on WordPress.com and WordPress self-hosted publishers who have installed Automattic Jetpack WordPress plugin. For a step-by-step guide for advertising on Blaze, don't forget to subscribe to this podcast to be notified when I publish an episode specific to this topic. In last week's episode of Digital Marketing Weekly Trending News, I reported on the delayed Google December 2022 link spam update that was supposed to have been completely rolled out by December 2022. And on the 12th of January, Google confirmed that the December 2022 link spam update is now finished and rolled out completely. The update took 29 days to roll out, starting on the 15th of December 2022 and ending on the 12th of January 2023. This is both good and bad news for site owners, because Google previously mentioned that site owners should ensure that they follow the best practices on links, both incoming and outgoing. Google also further expressed that promoting awareness of your site using appropriate tagged links and monetize it with properly tagged affiliates is also quite important. If you're on the bad side of this update, please subscribe to this podcast so that you can be notified when I produce an episode that delves deeper into the December 2022 link spam update, which might help your website's ranking from declining. Still on the Google side of things, the company is testing the sponsored label in the product listing search results. The sponsored label was first launched on mobile last year in 2022. A Twitter user by the name of SubAK spotted it and posted 2 videos of this in action on the 8th of January. On to trending topic number 6, Microsoft Store ads and other product updates for January. And now you can promote your desktop app to customers on Windows 10 and Windows 11 devices with Microsoft Store ads. Another update is that in-market audiences expanded to new markets in the Middle East and Africa, including countries such as Ethiopia, Malawi, Tanzania, Zambia, and Lesotho, just to name a few. If you want a full list of all the different countries that are included in this expansion, you can check out the link in this episode description. Looking into the future, Microsoft Advertising plans to release great stuff in the upcoming monthly product roundups, such as local search ads, marquee ads on Microsoft Edge, and more vertical ads types, just to name a few. Quite interesting things coming from Microsoft Advertising in 2023, don't you think? Moving over to topic number 7. Brightcove, the most trusted streaming technology company in the world, today announced that it has entered into a strategic relationship with Magnite, the world's largest independent sell-side advertising platform. Magnite will power advertising for any Brightcove customer, growing fill and delivery to increase customer revenue. Brightcove will also integrate the SpringServe ad server to provide publishers with greater control, insight, and transparency into available ad supply. It's always good when industry leaders form strategic partnerships that benefit its customers. Don't you think so? On topic number 8 of the Digital Marketing Weekly Trending News, I move my focus over to Meta. On the 10th of January, Meta reported that it's continuing to create age-appropriate ad experience for teens. And if you're wondering what that even means, don't worry, I've summarized it all for you. Meta shared a lot in their recent article, and here are the 3 key takeaways. Takeaway number 1. Teens' previous engagement across Meta apps such as Instagram posts and Facebook pages they've liked will not inform what ads they see. Takeaway number 2, beginning in February, advertisers will only be able to use the age and location to reach teens. Meta says it's removing gender as a targeting option. Last but not least, takeaway number 3, teens will also be able to tell Meta the type of ads they'll rather not see, and learn more about how ads work on Meta's apps. Personally, I'm very happy of what Meta is doing. What are your thoughts about this recent development? And then last but not least, the 10 rising stars of the marketing world in 2023, according to LinkedIn. As per LinkedIn's article, one of the most exciting things about marketing is that it's a puzzle that will never completely be solved. There's no one great truth to success at it. Just a lot of theories, a lot of experimenting, and a lot of learning. LinkedIn knows that you won't regret following a single one of these 10 marketers in 2023, and each of them provides an inspirational glimpse into their approach to marketing and explains how you can learn from it to improve your own. Let's go through the list and see if you're already following any of these 10 marketers. If not, you have to start following them from today, in no particular order, and I have to apologize first if I mispronounce anyone's name. Starting at number 1, we have Nemanja Zikovic, CEO and founder of Funky Marketing. At number 2, we have Sydney Craig Hart, inclusive marketing strategist and coach to minority women-owned businesses. And then we have Marisa Lather, director of marketing and communication of Bridge Partners. We have Lola Bakari, CMO advisor, Anthem award-winning inclusive marketing strategist and founder of Beko. And then we have Michael Baba, freelance brand consultant and marketing strategist. We have Michelle Ngome, founder of the African American Marketing Association. We have Jackie Chakirelis, director of digital media at Cleveland Magazine and Quest Digital. And then we have Mayur Gupta, CMO at Kraken Digital Asset Exchange. And then we have Stacy Danheiser, founder and CMO of Shake Marketing. And lastly, we have Diego Oquento, founder of Vulcan Marketing. That's it from me for this week, guys. And again, if there's a trend that I might have missed, please let me know in the comment section. And if there's a blog, an influencer, or a digital marketing professional that you want me to check out, please also mention their name on the comment section so that I can have a look at their content. And as always, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification if you're on YouTube so that you're notified next week when I post my digital marketing weekly trending news again. Any comments, complaints, or compliments are welcome because my aim is to ensure that I grow this audience and deliver the most relevant and up-to-date trending news directly to you. Don't forget to let me know what I should change, what I should improve on, or rather what I should keep doing. I always welcome constructive criticism. Cheers, guys.